Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to connect Bluetooth earbuds with your iPhone. You can see here I have Avalon earpods. Okay, just to go to your settings and go to Bluetooth, and my Bluetooth is turned on, and pick up one of your earbuds. Okay, then it is start searching the earbuds, and you can see here it is showing up. Just tap on it and wait for some seconds. Okay, my ETWS 053 is connected. So in this way you can simply connect any Bluetooth device with your iPhones, and there is not much settings like Android. It is only connection and disconnection and select connection type. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.